Reshall Jimmy says an inquest into his death will deliver justice. Jimmy died when his Ford Kuga utility vehicle caught alight in the Southern Cape in December 2015.
The matter was heard in the Cape Town High Court today before it was postponed to next month.
The inquest aims to ascertain the cause of Jimmy's death and whether anybody can be held liable. The NPA had initially decided against prosecution. The Jimmy family insists Ford is culpable.
This helps voice that to corporates like Ford that you can't actually take advantage of your consumers and that we can fight back, and they need to value their consumers because they are around based off consumers trusting within the brand. So that's the message we're trying to set, that they need to appreciate their consumers, but in that as well, not allow them to tarnish Reshall's reputation and get justice for him while he's not around to defend himself.
Counsel for the Ford Motor Company has criticised the police investigation, submitting that at least 14 additional witnesses have since been traced. It's also requested that, among others, Jimmy's cell phone and health records be made available as evidence.
It are those witnesses that were on the scene that could have contributed. Mr. Kilder, if I can just spend a moment on Mr. Kilder. Mr. Kilder was a member of the public. He reacted and he made a second video. That video is now available. The information is that he sent it to the investigating officer at the time, but your lordship won't find it in the police docket. Mr. Kilder is the one that heard a big bang like a shotgun.
Counsel for the family say they've been excluded from communication between the parties involved. They've also indicated that they are prepared to proceed with a private prosecution if necessary.
We were never allowed the opportunity to argue a postponement before this court. Because I'm very convinced, my lord, if we were allowed an opportunity, the court would not have postponed, and that's my respect for it. We will, however, my lord, support the family further in this matter. We, at page 31, my lord, ask the court to consider postponing the matter. The matter will be postponed, we understand that. But allowing the family, my lord, to be a role player. Allow them 2 months to, whenever all these new evidence or whatever evidence is, to consider it, to go through it, to have time and to be ready, my lord.
It's reported that 80 Ford Kugas have caught alight on South Africa's roads, with thousands of vehicles recalled. A pre-trial has been scheduled for the 8th of March, while evidence will be presented from the 18th of March. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.